me get the right word. How about uncomfortable? I have to go have an uncomfortable conversation with somebody. Right before Christmas, December 20th, 2018, I bought the major appliances for my house, knowing I was going to be there by April or May. Well, I'm not. They want to deliver them. And they want to deliver them to the unrenovated home. I'm sure people have had worse delays than what I'm experiencing, but I've said it before, I'm in the arena that I just don't speak the language, and when you don't speak the language, people can take advantage of you. So I actually really need the new contractor to say, listen, hold them. Anyway, we're gonna go there, and I'm gonna tell them what's happening. Yeah. Translation? Lie. Well, it's no secret I'm having problems, right? And I'm sure you've heard every problem ever. So, yeah, I guess this is mine. This is mine, but in black. It's amazing. I'm running around. I actually don't know what I bought. It's been 6 months ago. Everything has been a non-dateable delay. I purchased the major appliances 6 months ago, knowing I would be in that house. What I just did back there, it felt like the final delay, the final stall, and the final fib. But what I just did back there pinpoints a date and a time. Yeah. I've got a couple weeks to figure this out.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Sophia. Can we get any breakfast for you this morning?
May I please have a double espresso?
Double espresso. What else are we getting?
That shall be fine, thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Is even with going in a new direction, it's the same direction. I can't get anybody with a fire lit underneath of them. It's unbelievable. So I was gone Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I've delayed the housing problems, the remodel issue. But when I left, one of the last correspondence that I had was, I wanted to let you know that I've talked to the engineer, and he said he will definitely be done and have it over to you tomorrow. That would have been Friday. This is now 3 days later, with all of the corrections. Then what you need to do is look at it, make sure all the corrections are correct, and let him know so he can have it sealed and ready to permit. That is all I'm asking for, and that's the plans that I've paid for, twice if you want to know the truth, that I can have them. Thursday. You will definitely have them tomorrow. Somebody made a comment to me, and they challenged the fact that I use the word shady in one of my videos, but by definition of the word of not returning your phone calls, emails, text, or voicemails, by definition the word of saying you're going to have it by Thursday and you don't have it on Monday, if you're having it on Tuesday you don't have it Friday, if you're going to have it on January you don't have it till June. I think by definition of the word, that's shady. I've only been gone a couple of days, but when I left, we were having the heaviest rains. It began June 1st, let's say to the 18th, 19th, 20 days of like the heaviest rain. I haven't been to my property for a while. I need to go and see what's going on. Whether you know it or not, I landscaped. I only did the perimeter, nothing near the house or whatever. And with that much rain, I really don't know how well everything's doing. My avocado tree wasn't doing too well last time, and I bought gypsum, but I think it's more than that. I think it's just too much sun and it became too much water. Oh, it looks bad, it looks bad, it looks abandoned. This is a storm. That's a tree limb that fell. I wasn't really sticking around, but I think I need to mow. I need to take care of this. need to take care of this. All right, want to go through my landscaping together? This is gypsum for the soil. Calcium sulfate. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's about 95 degrees outside.
Yeah. Woo, okay. You want some important foreshadowing? Mr. Meatball's Aquamarina Beast 10-foot paddleboard. I am 86% sure that I'm traveling through the Greek islands this year with not a skateboard. Ouch. But with the paddleboard. Yeah. You know, I've moved very fast and I move very light. And taking that, pretty soon, maybe the next video, I'll do a test run. And that is take it apart and to find out how it can be condensed. How light, how heavy, how small, how compact, how travelable, how travelable it can be. But yeah, big September trip coming up. And as much as I have that's been going on that's disappointing, that's something I'm now officially looking forward to. I'm also looking forward to it because it'll mean the vlog will be much more interesting. This has been a depressing vlog to make. Yeah, this is mix-mashy. I know. Number one, I don't like living it, and I don't like talking about it, and I don't like filming it, and then I don't like editing, I don't like seeing it, and I don't like reliving it. I got a avalanche of excrement. I got a tsunami of feces coming my way. And one person, one clown, one little bitch is keeping my plans from me. Keeping my plans from me. So, I went to the courthouse this morning, and I filed papers. Right? I'm not interested in fighting. I'm not interested in filing papers. I'm interested in doing this. But that is part of that. I have been taken advantage of since the beginning. I have. And how I know that now is I had to review every email, every text message, and relive it, and then look at it. And it is stall delay, stall delay, stall delay, stall delay, stall delay, to the point of, early on, I should have said, cut your bullshit. Are you going to do the job or not? Clowns. I got clowns to the left of me. Jokers to the right.